somebody watched a little bit of Fast and the Furious. Around the same time, Russian cybersecurity company Kaspersky started uninstalling its antivirus software from American computers to comply with its own US ban, but the company also installed a different antivirus software on said computers. While Kaspersky did tell customers via email their existing subscriptions would be transferred to alternative antivirus software Ultra AV, users claimed the auto installation wasn't mentioned. However, Pango Group, owner of Ultra AV, claims that Kaspersky communicated the transition to users starting on September 5th, including an in-app pop-up stating Ultra AV protection will be automatically activated on your device, which I would immediately think that my computer had been hacked to all heck.
100%. Ultra AV protection doesn't even sound like a real thing.
No, not at all.
Like I'm sure it is, but it's not what we use, and we have a team of people who determines what antivirus we use. So that's not something I've looked into a lot personally. I'm just saying that if you don't follow, the antivirus industry, that could easily sound like sounds like fake.
To be fair, a few of them do sound kind of fake.
This is true.
So some CrowdStrike,
dude. Do you know
Sentinel-1? They're all like so intense.
Do you know how many years I called us? No, never mind. Go ahead.
Ninja One and Sentinel One, also being from two different companies, blows my mind.
Yeah.
Constantly. Anyways. Some users were...
Vickers says I'm pro IT and I've never heard of it, so I don't even feel that bad.
Yeah. Some users were especially freaked out because after using a third-party uninstaller app to completely remove Ultra AV, it just reinstalled itself after they rebooted.
Whoa.
Very cool.
That is actual malware.
Very cool.
That is the definition of malware. Something that installs itself without user intervention and without user consent. I mean... Is that not malware?
Well, it could be a form, like in their defense, it could be a form of, like it said a third-party uninstaller app, right? So it could be a defense. If you're an antivirus, do you want third-party uninstaller apps to be able to uninstall you?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Yes.
I will, in their defense, I will put that out there. Like if you use the actual uninstaller.
I'd still be freaked out.
Yes, 100%. But I think I kind of get it.
Especially if I knew anything about, Kaspersky and the whole situation that's gone down with them and why they, aren't allowed in the United States anymore and stuff. Just the whole thing feeling sketchy,
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a work conversation buried in there somewhere, but we'll deal with that another time.